My name is Star, and we're building the floor plan Stonebrook at Woodland Park.
I would definitely say the best part of our experience so far was going through the design studio. I mean, we had a lot of fun picking out everything for the house.
In my opinion, what set Shaw Homes from other builders is, I would honestly still say, the quality and the upgrades that Shaw Homes do provide than other builders, because we did walk a lot of other builders,
Hmm.
like what was that builder? Beacon Homes. We did walk those, and honestly, the quality, even
Yeah,
if it's just the basic, what you guys had between what others had, it was very different.
it was completely different. I definitely think it was worth it going with Shaw. We didn't even know about Shaw. We
We
were
didn't.
considering Beacon initially, and that's when Sharon told us about Shaw Homes, and when we went to look, that's when we really realized how much better Shaw Homes were compared to everybody else. I mean, it was like night and day, really.
It really was.
You guys provided a lot more upgrades already included in the basic floor plan compared to almost any other house we saw being built anywhere near there. I mean, we saw a lot of homes from Beacon and other builders, but the base the base point was way below your guys' base point. We had thought we found the house with Beacon Homes, and we were ready to move forward with them. And just before we started, that's when Sharon told us to check out Shaw, and we were pretty glad we did because definitely we're getting a lot more bang for the buck here.